The problem of children not consuming vegetables is based on several reasons, according to research. These reasons include not liking the taste of vegetables, not finding their appearance appealing, feeling forced to eat, incorrect practices, and families not setting an example. Not liking the taste of vegetables is one of the most common reasons for children's reluctance to consume vegetables. Therefore, it is important to make vegetables more attractive by cooking them in different ways or by seasoning them. For example, you can make vegetables more palatable to children. The unappealing appearance of vegetables is also a factor in their consumption. Therefore, you can present vegetables in colorful and different shapes. It is also important to allow children to eat according to their own desires. Incorrect practices during vegetable preparation can also prevent children from consuming them. It is important to prepare and cook vegetables correctly to maintain their taste and nutritional value. After washing and cleaning vegetables properly, they should be cut and cooked correctly. Families not setting an example is also a reason why children do not consume vegetables. Parents should set an example for their children by consuming vegetables. They can instill healthy eating habits in their children by preparing and using vegetables frequently in their meals. Taking these reasons into account, the following measures can be taken to encourage children to consume vegetables. Make vegetables more attractive by cooking them in different ways, seasoning them, and cutting them into colorful shapes. Allow children to eat according to their own desires and do not force them to eat. Wash and clean vegetables properly and cut and cook them correctly. Parents should set an example for their children by consuming vegetables and preparing them at home. Consider vegetables as part of the main course and serve them with their favorite foods. For example, you can add vegetables to sandwiches or pizzas. With these measures, children can consume more vegetables and develop healthy eating habits.